Good morning, Hobbs Eagles. Welcome to Friday, or if you want to call it Happy Friday. Hope you've enjoyed the last 3 days. I know there's been a ton of good conversation, productive conversation, and lots of planning going on, so keep up the good work. Look forward to today and staff meeting, some other district department meetings, and some campus level PD before we finish the day out with teacher work time. Again, I encourage you provide the staff feedback on the link below. We will take and are taking that feedback under consideration and discussion as we continue to grow together as an organization. If you haven't made it out to the county fair and rodeo, you got 2 nights left. Get out there and enjoy some great fair food. You can walk plenty and walk it off if you eat too much of that funnel cake. We got a lot of kids enjoying that and taking part in the animal portion, but also a phenomenal rodeo on the other side. So enjoy today. Have a great weekend. I look forward to hearing more from each of you on your feedback. Thank you, and go Eagles!